Chapter 5, Arcanum 3. In Kabbalah, everything is numbers and mathematics. The number is holy and infinite. In the universe, everything is measurement and weight. For the Gnostics, God is a geometrist. Mathematics are sacred. No one was admitted into the school of Pythagoras if they were not knowledgeable about mathematics and music, etc. Numbers are sacred. All of the splendors of the world and the extraordinary interplay of the Sferot on the 32 paths of wisdom within God and within the human being are described in a marvelous way in the Sefer Yetzirah, a very ancient, sacred Hebraic book of the rabbis, or the rabbis. All the science of the Sferot is hidden within the mystery of the sexes. The secret key of the Sefer Yetzirah is within the science of numbers. Anyone can think in 32 ways, but in reality, the 32 paths of wisdom are equal to 3 and 2, which is the value of 5, equal to the star of 5 points, the pentalpha, meaning equal to the human being, which signifies that the paths are within the human being. Everything is within oneself. It is written in a very symbolic way that this is why it refers to 32 paths. The Kabbalists state that in reality, the soul has 3 aspects. 1 is nefesh, the animal soul. 2 is ruach, the thinking soul. And 3 is neshama, the spiritual soul. The sferot are the substratum or substratum of these 3 aspects of the soul. The sferot are atomic. Nefesh. One must distinguish the difference between the astral body and the lunar bodies. The lunar bodies are active during the night and after death. Conventionally, these bodies have been called the astral body, but they are not the legitimate astral body. Whosoever wants to have the luxury of having the legitimate astral body must perform the work of the Mituna, where the hydrogen Si-12 is built. The H means hydrogen. Si is a musical note, so I guess I should be saying it like C. 12 are the 12 laws. The hydrogen C12 vibrates in our organism with the musical scale and crystallizes in the astral, or rather crystallizes in the astral body if the practice is intense. The initiate must descend into the infernal worlds for 40 days and has to recapitulate all of the evil deeds and frightful dramas of his past incarnations. Little by little, the initiate departs from these tenebrous regions. Before departing, the 3 souls, Nefesh, Ruach, and Neshama, are submitted to ordeals. How interesting it is to see the animal soul submitted to ordeals, as well as the thinking soul and the essence, which are also submitted to ordeals. The Bible states, Nefesh, Nefesh, blood is paid with blood. Within these Hebrew words, wisdom is hidden. Ruach. This is the thinking, emotional soul that is inserted within the lunar bodies of desire. Neshama. That fraction of soul that is trapped within the previously mentioned principles is submitted to very difficult ordeals. After triumphing, the initiate ascends to the causal world to have a meeting with Sanat Kumara, a venerable elder mentioned in very ancient religions. He is one of the 4 thrones of which the Bible speaks. 3 are gone and only he remains. He grasps the rod of Aaron, the scepter of the kings. He is ineffable and is related with Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas, the three gunas that are in equilibrium. Sanat Kumara gives the esoteric initiation of the astral solar body, or solar astral body. Synthesis. Our disciples must learn how to depart in the astral body in order to visit all the white lodges of the world, where they can personally converse with Christ and with all of the masters of the White Lodge. The atoms of laziness are a grave obstacle for the progress toward the superior worlds. The great law is the return of life toward the superior worlds. Pray and meditate intensely, the Divine Mother teaches her children. Prayer must be performed by combining meditation with the sleepy state. Then, as in a vision of a dream, illumination emerges. It's really simple, practicing this. He says, then as in a vision of a dream, it's like basically you just start dreaming because you're nodding off and falling asleep, but you maintain that drowsiness. If you maintain awareness, it's meditation, and you can prolong it and have great insights. The Divine Mother comes to the devotee in order to instruct them in the great mysteries.